I've come fully charged.
यही चाहिए.
हाँ.
के लिए
पीछे वाला.
You play box cricket and all?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy? तो आप कब से, बचपन से आप you're a fan of?
बचपन से यार, मेरी उंगलियां देखो यार. I was not born. It's not a birth defect. It's a cricket
leg spin
defect.
कर
It actually helps me in spinning the ball more. Yeah. हाँ यार, because हम लोग पहले जू पे रहते थे कॉलोनी में.
हाँ.
So we've been playing since those days. जू बीच पे खेलते थे. ओबराम हमने स्टार्ट करी.
Right.
फिर I was in Bombay's Cottage, so there was Shivaji Park right behind school.
तो क्लब में.
Yeah. फिर HR College, Oval मैदान. So I've always been very close to the iconic grounds.
Yeah.
You know.
तो क्या फिर तो क्या perfect role मिला यार?
Absolutely. I feel मैं बहुत lucky हूँ यार, because I got to do the two things that I love most, which is playing cricket and acting, and well.
कमाल, आप खेल रहे हो और एक्टिंग भी हो गई, करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
Yes.
और मैं देखा इनसाइड एज, लेकिन सब बॉल मिडिल करी हैं आपने, मतलब.
वो आपने सिर्फ अच्छे टीम्स देखे ना.
अच्छा. खूब खेलते होगे फिर तो यार.
हाँ यार, you know, but इनसाइड एज की बात करूँ तो it's very interesting, because क्या होता है कि हमारा क्रिकेट का सेपरेट स्केड्यूल रहता है, राइट. एंड अगर आप obviously cricket grounds or cricket pitches के साथ वाकिफ हो, so you'll understand that with each passing day it becomes more and more difficult to bat.
Yeah.
But we have only one pitch.
हाँ.
So मुझे याद है जब हम season 3 शूट कर रहे थे, so in the last match Vayu comes out and he plays really well and he almost makes the team win and stuff and all that, but by then the entire pitch वो एक landmine सा बन चुका था.
खराब हो गया.
हाँ, यानी कि जब बॉल टप्पा खा रहा था, it was like the puffs of dust and stuff coming up, so
Right.
lots of cracks, so it was really difficult to bat.
Yeah.
And I'm telling my makers, they're on the क्या बोलते हैं, the walkie-talkie which we hide behind the stumps, and I'm like, guys, it's not as easy as you all are making it out to be.
Yeah.
He said, yeah, but it's written in the script. I'm like, I don't care what's written in the script, यार. यहाँ के
Bounce
पहले
भी
बैटिंग
very
करो.
ball.
हम लोग मई के महीने में शूट करे थे, and it was so hot at the Pune Stadium, and it batting on this landmine.
Yeah.
So I just said, you know, screw this. I'm just going to keep coming down the wicket when I'm going for aggressive shots, because the moment I let the ball bounce,
Right.
it gets very very difficult.
Because लो हो रही होगी, इशू हो रहा होगा.
और क्या है ना कि मेन जितने भी स्टार कास्ट है, ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग पहले एक्टर्स है, फिर क्रिकेटर्स है, बट बाकी सारे जितने भी है, दे कम फ्रॉम कांगा लीग एंड द डिफरेंट लीग्स एंड आल्सो दे वर नॉट एक्टर्स. सो वो समझ नहीं पा रहे थे कि यार एक्टिंग करने में और खेलने में और कॉम्पिटिटिव होने में एक थोड़ा सा फर्क है. सो दे वर गेटिंग या यू नो. अभी क्या है कि एक टाइम के बाद अपना भी टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है ना, यू नो, लाइक, and they're like, you're not following the script. I'm like, yeah, but neither is he, तो मैं क्या करूँ, you know.
Right.
So it was like that, yeah.
कानपुर में आपको शूट करना चाहिए था. हमारी पिच वैसी ही रहती. साल भर हमारी
Yeah,
पिच
yeah,
पहले
yeah,
दिन में
yeah,
टूट
yeah.
जाती है यार.
Yeah,
वो
yeah,
pitch.
Kanpur is, yeah, one of the oldest grounds, huh?
Yeah, yeah,
Green Park.
Green Park.
Yeah.
तो उसमें एक दिन के बाद आपकी पिच 5th डे ही रहती है हमेशा.
हाँ.
तो that is जो आपकी
Absolutely,
प्रैक्टिस होने के बाद हुई वही.
But उसी में मजा है, you know, honestly यार. मैं I love test cricket यार, but
cricket, yeah.
जो 5-day मैचेस होते हैं ना, उसमें अभी I think अभी T20 के ज़माने में थोड़ा मुझे भी बोर लगता है. So I like it by the third. ने इस वाले सीरीज के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. We'll just pretend it never happened. Let's focus on India's T20 win against South Africa.
No, that was great, but मतलब अभी क्या हुआ? अभी मैं जिससे भी बात कर रहा हूँ, पता है क्या बोल रहे हैं कि अरे यार ये कॉम्बिनेशन गंभीर विराट और इसकी वजह से हुआ है. हाँ. बट ऐसा क्या ओवरनाइट?
I don't think that's the case यार, because अभी गौतम गंभीर के लिए बहुत अर्ली डेज है, to be honest, और I feel वो ट्यूनिंग ले आने में थोड़ा वक्त जाता ही है.
Right.
And let's just say it was a collective failure यार. I just feel they had you know, उससे पहले बांग्लादेश को हम लोग ने अच्छी तरीके से हराया, even though we were in some tough spots there also, but lower the tail really wagged. But I feel कि हर बार तो आपका tail wag नहीं करेगा, and eventually you have to count on the batsman to put up the runs. But अपने खुद के बैकयार्ड में अगर आप स्पिन ठीक से नहीं खेल पाओगे तो it's a problem, you know.
Yeah.
But I have a feeling we'll do well in Australia.
Yes.
Yeah.
That'll be a great win अगर वो कर पाए.
If we are able to get through the first two matches, the one at Waka and the pink ball test, then we are fine.
We have a pink ball test.
Yeah, I think the second one is a pink ball test. 6th of December. हाँ.
उसमें इशू क्या हो रहा था? पहले तो यही बोला था ना कि वो ट्रेल आता है तो नहीं करेंगे, फिर क्या अब now they are doing it again.
Yeah, they're doing it again. Yeah, they're doing it.
Crazy. तो इनसाइड एज का what was your experience? आपने कितना लंबा था ये शूट, पहला सीजन?
पहले तो I will start with the very beginning.
हाँ.
इस शो का नाम इनसाइड एज नहीं था. It used to be called खेल. Imagine. Then it turned into power play. तो जब हम पहले सीजन के लिए शूट करे थे, I was shooting not for inside edge, I was shooting for power play. फिर कुछ नेमिंग राइट्स का कुछ पंगा हो गया, then we changed the title.
Right.
And my journey with inside edge started with a computer chair. Okay. So of course जैसे आप जानते हो, as an actor हम काफ़ी सारे auditions देते हैं, right? And I went and I tested for the character of Vayu Raghavan, but कौन से scene के लिए? The first scene of the show, where वो वाला scene, yeah, start the show with a bang वाला scene,
right?
है ना?
Right.
But of course
कितनी बढ़िया practice
तो सही है, but आगे सुनिए. तो obviously audition के time पर there was no cheerleader, there was nothing else, there was just the camera assistant, one AD and myself. तो मैंने बोला कि सर अभी वो एक्शन को मिमिक कैसे करूँ? बोले हाँ कैसे करोगे? अच्छा ये जो कंप्यूटर चेयर पड़ा है ना उसके साथ कर लो. तो I'm like, you actually want me to try hum for computer chair? So they're like, हाँ आप एक्टर हो, you have to just imagine and then perform. I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है कर लेते. So I did the scene and all, and trust me, it is a logistical and technical nightmare because the damn chair was on wheels. Okay, so what do I do?
So I'm like,
so I walked out of that audition and I'm like, yaar, this is either going to be the most epic, awesome audition, or it's going to be an epic misfire. But either ways, I've never done something like that. And luckily, things went well for me. The rest, as this is history, and I got the role.
Yeah.
But it all started with the computer chair.
Crazy. So first season took कितना, आप कौन सी ईयर क्या था जब शूट किया था?
हमने पहले सीजन 2016 में शूट करी. Yeah. And then it released in 2017.
Oh, quick release also.
Yeah. Then with each subsequent season, then it took longer.
Right.
Third season में काफी पंगे हो गए because then pandemic hit, right? So we had not got done shooting, and then we had to do some reshoots and post and this that. So third season took some time. Yeah.
But बढ़िया experience.
Best experience of my life.
Great. Because you love cricket, तो वो तो मजे ही हो रहे थे.
I love cricket, I love acting, and I love working with Excel. I mean, what's not to love?
Yeah.
So it was awesome, you know.
You're a second generation actor also.
जी.
और मतलब कितना आपको फायदा हुआ nepotism का?
बिल्कुल नहीं honestly यार, because see क्या है कि at the time जब मैंने decide किया कि मुझे acting में आना है, तो my mom was not an active actor, तो of course लोग उन्हें बहुत जानते हैं, बहुत सराहते हैं, lot of respect, lot of regard, but क्या है कि she's not actively on the circuit, right? Even when I became an actor, so it's never like we were acting at the same time,
right?
You know, though she did do a cameo in one of my films, Purani Jeans, but she was not acting. है ना? And she's someone who likes just cutting off from the industry when she's not working. वो ऐसी कलाकार, ऐसी एक्टर नहीं है जो हमेशा अपने फिल्म कंपेनियंस के साथ
पुराने को-स्टार्स के साथ टच में
हाँ लाइक सबकी कदर करती है, सबके साथ संबंध बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक यू विल फाइंड हर एट एनी फिल्मी पार्टीज और दिवाली पार्टीज और एट दैट्स नॉट हर वाइब, शी लाइक्स टू कट ऑफ, शी हैज हर ओन. तो क्या है कि और ये नाम को भी लेकर कंफ्यूजन था, बिकॉज उनका स्क्रीन नाम है रति अग्निहोत्री और मेरा लास्ट नेम है विरवानी, तो कई बार and you are talking about, see, I became an actor in about, say, I started trying towards the end of 2011. So back then you did not have too much social media, like it was still in control, you know, so it's not like, you know, people were able to join the dots that quickly,
right?
और फिर मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि जब लोग जानने लगे कि मैं किनका बेटा हूँ, so then I would get great treatment, and that would also make me feel a little weird, yeah, because मेरी जो परवरिश हुई है, upbringing हुई है, it's been very normal, basic, like anyone, you know, like any normal middle class family, and to suddenly, you know, like it's
middle class थोड़ी होंगे.
नहीं, मैं मिडिल क्लास ही था.
upper
middle class, you would say, yeah, okay,
रिच है भाई, रिच है. जिनके पास आपकी जूते के कलेक्शन कब स्टार्ट हुए?
2015
है कि हम डस्ट कलेक्ट करते थे, आप लोग जूते कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या बात कर रहे हैं? नो बट हाँ ठीक है, तो आपने जैसे
माइक ड्रॉप
नहीं बट सो यू स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग, और उसके बाद आप बोल रहे हो कि इतना फायदा
क्या हुआ ना यार, बिकॉज जब मैं आराम नगर पार्ट 2 जहाँ सब जाते हैं अपने ऑडिशंस देने के लिए, नो, सो you'd enter the room and there would be like 10 guys who are dressed identical like you know. If the demand of the particular scene is की jeans and black t-shirt, तो आप अंदर जाओगे तो 10 और वहाँ पे उन्हीं कपड़ों में बैठे ना. हमने यार wow, that's quite overwhelming at the beginning. And then they would take me into a separate room, and I never asked for preferential treatment, but like, you know, I would get to jump the line, and I didn't really like it, because I'm like, you know, I think everyone should be fair also. Then I started pretending like I'm not related to anyone. मैं जानबूझकर ये फटे हुए कपड़े पहन कर जाता था.
अच्छे कपड़े हैं.
नहीं उन दिनों में, you know, like I would like dress a little extra sloppy. I would park my car a little around the corner and come walking and all that, you know. I want to blend in with everyone else. So I think my acting didn't start just when the camera was rolling, it's before the camera was rolling. And then I realized कि यार ये सब बकचोदी मत कर, you know, finally if you are good, आपका काम अच्छा है and आप अच्छी तरीके से दिल से सीन निभा रहे हो ऑन स्क्रीन एंड यू आर पोर्ट्रेइंग दैट कैरेक्टर, तो आपको काम मिलेगा, यू नो. सो नन ऑफ दिस मैटर्स यार. ये लोग बहुत कहते हैं नेपोटिज्म. आई जस्ट फील कि ओके स्टार्टिंग में शायद यू गेट बेटर ऑफर्स बिकॉज यू हैव मोर एक्सेस टू द इंडस्ट्री, बट नोबडी इज एनीवन्स फ्रेंड इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. इफ दे फील कि आप में वो बात है तो देन दे विल बैक यू, बिकॉज पैसे की बात है. इट्स अ इंडस्ट्री, इट्स अ बिजनेस.
बट लेकिन अगर हेल्प मिल रही है तो दिक्कत क्या है? अगर मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आपको
मिलती भी है, क्या होता है ना कि आई फील की हेल्प तो अगर मिलती है ठीक है, बट देन वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी थोड़े अनरियलिस्टिक हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज गॉड फॉरबिड यू आर नॉट दैट गुड और यू डोंट कम वेरी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड और व्हाटएवर, एवरीवन's got their own syntax, right?
They double down on you now.
Oh my god, yeah. So it gets crazy. So luckily for me, शुरुआत में मेरे 2-3 जो फिल्में थे वो नहीं चली, but it's not like I got like so much of trolling and hate and stuff and all that. People were like, okay, you know, he's still rough around the edges, but let's give him another shot.
Right.
Maybe he's viewing it differently. Maybe we are not choosing him for the right roles, but maybe चल जाए.
हाँ.
और ये maybe के चक्कर में inside edge मुझे
yeah, nice. आपकी मम्मी मेरी one of my favorite movies में सोचा ना था.
हाँ.
मूवी
या
और क्या
लवली म्यूजिक आल्सो,
बहुत ही बढ़िया. मैं हर थोड़े महीने में देखता रहा. और क्या टॉन्ट मारती हैं आपकी मम्मी. आप घर पे मारती हैं?
हाँ, हमेशा.
ओ क्रेजी मैन.
वो एक्टिंग नहीं कर रही थी, शी वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ तनुज एंड देन वो सेट पर जाके क्या जेन्युइन. मतलब मुझे आई थिंक एक्चुअली इम्तियाज सर शुड बी थैंकिंग मी, यू नो. आई सेड माय मॉम वेरी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट.
कर दीजिए भाई, थैंक कर दीजिए. बहुत ही मतलब वो देखता था मैं सीन, और उसके बाद मुझे खुद रात में बाहर जाने में बुरा लगता था कि ये डांटेंगी रहती है.
पर अब भी डांटती है.
अभी भी डांटती है.
नथिंग हैज चेंज्ड. आई कीप रिमाइंडिंग, अब तो आप दादी बन चुके हो यार, अभी तो प्लीज यार क्लास लेना बंद कीजिए.
कांग्रेचुलेशंस बाय द वे फॉर द पिक्चर्स. तो क्या मतलब कि क्या रहता है, स्केड्यूल क्या है आपका?
ऐसे कुछ स्केड्यूल तो है नहीं, बच्चे के ऊपर है यार. देयर इज नो कांसेप्ट ऑफ डे एंड नाइट यार, बिकॉज़ अभी तो वो लिटरली 7 वीक्स की है. सो वी हैव टू डांस अराउंड हर ट्यून. हैप्पीली सो यार.
या एंड यू हैव 3 dogs.
So we actually have totally 6 dogs.
6 dogs.
हाँ. तो बॉम्बे में हमारे 4 कुत्ते हैं, और हमारे लोनावला के घर पे 2 और हैं.
Crazy man, what life.
At one point there were more dogs in our home than human beings. अभी थोड़ा बैलेंस आ गया, बीवी आ गई, बच्चा आ गया. उससे पहले तो यार we were a minority.
यार जिस घर में जैसे अगर बच्चे when kids grow up with like pets around, बड़े empathy आती है,
ज़्यादा compassionate बनते हैं, you know. और
काफी अच्छी
हमारी upbringing भी it's happened always around animals and especially dogs, and I feel it's very good यार.
Great.
Yeah, healthy atmosphere है. और घर पे vibe भी अच्छी होती है, you know. Because the love that जो आपको अपने pet से, अपने dogs, अपने cat से मिलती है, it's very वो इंसान से. हाँ, हम थोड़े मतलबी है.
मेरे पास 3.
Their love is pure.
Yeah, no, I have 3 cats right now.
There you go.
And मतलब वो वैसा मुझे अभी मिली है, बचपन में कभी नहीं थी, मेरे पास पेट्स नहीं थे. और भाई I can see the difference. What a great life. और see, compassion, empathy, ये चीजें सीखी नहीं जा सकती. Right.
It is just something that you imbibe from your immediate surroundings. So I think they heal us.
Yeah.
और बॉम्बे में लाइफ बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल रहती है यार. वी नीड दैट, यू नो. जब हम घर आते हैं एट द एंड ऑफ अ लॉन्ग डे, शूट से या काम से, व्हाटएवर, एंड दे जस्ट कम एंड दे जस्ट हग यू एंड स्लर्प यू एंड किस यू, जस्ट लाइक यार दैट्स लव.
I saw videos where you're talking about the dogs. Very
Best,
sweet.
So, और हमारे पास तो 3 जनरेशन है.
हाँ,
ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी है,
फैमिली है,
पेरेंट्स भी है अभी हमारे साथ, और उनके बच्चे भी है. So it's amazing.
बट एक है इसमें इशू, मतलब इशू क्या, ये तो लाइफ है. When a pet dies, how do you deal with that? And also मतलब कब तुम उसको ब्रेक करो, कब you will get a new pet? It's such a, मैं तो सोच के डरता रहता हूँ.
मेरे साथ ना unfortunately हुआ क्या था, this is शायद actually this is during the first Inside Edge, 2016-2017 की बात है. So we had lots of dogs, बॉम्बे के घर में भी और हमारे लोनावला के घर में भी, and because वो almost same age के थे, so within a span of 2 years we lost 4 pets. So every time you just, I wouldn't even say recover, but somehow you were able to be like, okay, you come to terms with it, our next dog would pass away. And unfortunately हमारे साथ क्या हुआ कि एक हमारा premature चला गया.
Okay.
हाँ, he sadly we lost him prematurely. He was barely 3.5 years old. So that really hit me, because क्या होता है कि you know, the moment your pet is about say 10 and a half, 11, then
you
subconsciously, because I've been a pet lover and a pet parent all my life, तो समझ आते कि ठीक है, you know, unfortunately this is their lifespan, you know, nature ने ऐसे ही बनाया है.
You will outlive them.
Yeah, you will outlive them. But when something happens prematurely na, and in the middle of all this, man, that really took me a long time to recover.
Yeah.
Crazy. You can't prepare for it.
Yeah, you can't.
No.
I have like a comic Louis C.K. said a joke. He said कि like when your dog dies, that's just a dry run for grandmom.
Yeah.
तो बच्चों को सिखाने के लिए एक चीज है.
Yeah.
But crazy man, it breaks you. मैं आपकी पुरानी एक फोटो देख रहा था. I think you look like Vijender Singh. You can.
Which picture is this?
मैं पुरानी फोटो देखी. If I can show you the image.
हाँ, please.
तो आई थिंक यू कैन प्ले अ बायोपिक. कभी भी आएगी विजेंदर सिंह की. आई थिंक इट शुड गो टू यू बिकॉज सेम लगते हो.
व्हाई नॉट? आई हैव एनीवेज बीन itching to do a biopic here.
दिस इज यू.
हाँ, yeah. So on the premiere of पुरानी जीन्स. Oh man, yeah. Actually, yeah. है ना?
मैं बस देख रहा था. मैंने कहा यार ये बंदा फिट होगा. अभी आपने अच्छा इनसाइड एज वाला जो रोल है, who is it based on a little bit?
यार सिंपल सी बात है, यू नो लाइक जब स्क्रिप्ट हमारे पास आई तो हमारे पास भी यही सवाल थे कि यार इज इट बेस्ड ऑन युवराज सिंह और इज इट बेस्ड ऑन विराट कोहली और एक्स वाई जेड एंड ऑल. एंड वेरी क्लियरली द मेकर सेड दैट यार हम इस कैरेक्टर के थ्रू ये दिखाना चाहते हैं व्हाट द मॉडर्न डे Indian cricketer is like, how he plays, the attitude that he has. So you need to take all these elements, all these names you've taken them, make a nice burji of them, add a tadka of your own vibe since you play cricket as well, and then उसे पेश करो. So it's actually, you know, पहले सीजन में because jersey number भी 18 था, you know, तो of course we sly nods हम करते हैं, क्यों नहीं करेंगे, you know. But it's definitely not based on Virat Kohli. I mean, this guy was off his rocker, Vayu Raghavan, compared to Kohli. Kohli is like the brand ambassador of being focused in every way, you know.
But maybe early Virat
maybe
Kohli.
early you could say, you know, but then of course हर एक character में especially जब आप long format करते हो तो एक transition आता है, you know, there's the evolution of the character. तो season 3 तक वो इंडिया का skipper बन चुका है. You see a lot more, he's in a stable relationship. So I guess एज एन ऑडियंस आप पैरेलल्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, बट फॉर मी जब मैं प्ले कर रहा था ऐसे नहीं कि मैं बैठकर विराट कोहली या युवराज सिंह के वीडियोस देख रहा था. वो सबकॉन्शियसली आप करते हो बिकॉज मैं इतना क्रिकेट देखता हूँ, बट आई ट्राई टू मेक इट, I try to add my unique kind of take on it and that's about it यार.
Yeah,
उसी में मजा है ना. बायोपिक नहीं है.
Yeah. लेकिन आपकी भी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी सी आई है और बाकी जो उन लोगों ने बनाए होगी.
और क्या है ना कि जो हमारे शो रनर है करण अंशुमन, वो पहले भी मेरे साथ क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं, तो he has seen my aggressive side on the field.
Right.
Like off the field I'll be your best friend, but when I'm playing a sport मैं बहुत competitive हूँ. So he's like just channelize that.
Right.
और अगर आप उस एनर्जी को स्क्रीन पर दिखाओगे, that's all I need. Then वो shades और whatever sculpting जो भी करना है वो हम लोग बाद में करेंगे, but that's the most important thing.
Right. No, वो दिखा स्क्रीन पे बहुत ही सही. अरे मैं एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था और मनोज बाजपेयी से इन्होंने पूछा कि ये एक बंदा काफी है.
हाँ, what a lovely,
incredible performance. उसमें जो कैरेक्टर है, is it based on एंड ही सेड नहीं, वो बहुत सारे गॉडमैन का मिक्सचर है, खिचड़ी बनाई गई है भुर्जी. तो जब भी मैं आंसर सुनता हूँ मैं कहता यार ये पक्का यही बोलेगा हर इंसान, पर ये किसी ना किसी पे तो
ऐसा ही है यार. आई मीन मुझे ऑनेस्टली नहीं पता कि दूसरों का क्या प्रोसेस है, बट अगर आई फील कि अगर मैं इमिटेशन करता ना तो इट वुड बी अ वेरी कैरिकेचरस परफॉर्मेंस. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू वांट टू रूट फॉर द कैरेक्टर्स, यू वांट टू रूट फॉर अगर वायु या रोहिणी या प्रशांत कनौजा जिसके भी साथ कुछ घटनाएं घटती है, यू वांट टू फील व्हाट दे आर फीलिंग. एंड इफ यू फील कि यार ये दिखा रहे बिकॉज रियल लाइफ में ऐसा है वैसा है, देन देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ डिस्कनेक्ट which we didn't want to happen.
Correct. Yeah. I'm sure cricketers भी वो शो देखेंगे और बोलेंगे यार इतनी तो ग्लैमरस नहीं है लाइफ हमारी जितना ये कुछ ये तो हमें करना चाहिए अपना थोड़ा ऐड करना.
After the show I would bump into many of them here and there, but and many of them have seen the show.
Right.
Right. And
I'm sure curiosity रहती है उनकी भी कि ये IPL या ICL के बारे में क्या दिखाया
बनाया. couple of them told me काश ऐसा होता.
कुछ ज्यादा ही.
I'm like sir मुझे नहीं पता, स्क्रिप्ट में जो लिखा है मैं बस उसे पोर्ट्रे कर रहा हूँ, मैं राइटर नहीं हूँ, शो रनर वो है, उनके पास जाओ.
आप IPL या मतलब आप देखते तो आई एम श्योर होगे. आप किस से मिले हो क्रिकेटर से? हैव यू मेट विराट कोहली? हैव यू मेट?
No, I have actually never met Kohli. We shot a very cool campaign with Virender Sehwag for the second season, Angad Bedi and myself. So हमारी काफी बातचीत हुई. I had seen the first season.
वो भी फनी कैरेक्टर है.
Yeah, मस्त है, amazing, बहुत entertaining. Yeah, so we were asking him. So Angad obviously knew him because of his father, but I had met him for the first time. तो कई सारे से मिले हैं. अभी recently मैं कहीं बाहर था पार्टी पे, I met Shreyas Iyer. Right. Yeah. वो भी fun. Yeah, top guy.
Angad also plays very good cricket.
But क्या है ना यार ना, Angad is a proper professional, you know, sound technique and all. अपन गली क्रिकेटर है यार. आई हैव नेवर टेकन प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग इन माय लाइफ यार. जो भी मैं क्रिकेट के बारे में जानता हूँ वो बीच क्रिकेट खेल के, गली क्रिकेट, राउंड आर्म, अंडर आर्म थ्रो करके हम लोग सीखे हैं, यू नो. सो मेरा जो टेक्निक था, सो वी हैड अ क्रिकेट ट्रेनिंग कैंप. तो उन्होंने कहा कि यार आप शॉट्स बड़े अच्छे खेलते हो बट योर टेक्निक इज ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली पहले सीजन में इतना टाइम या बजट भी नहीं था हमारे पास टू काइंड ऑफ वर्क ऑन दैट. बट बाय द सेकंड सीजन आई मेड इट अ पॉइंट कि यार, यू नो, आई शुड मेक इट मोर, या वर्क ऑन इट एंड स्टफ. देन वी इनकॉर्पोरेट अ फ्यू थिंग्स इनटू द स्क्रिप्ट दैट, यू नो, वायु का अपना ही टेक्निक है, यू नो. वी हैड टू काइंड ऑफ मर्ज फैक्ट मीट्स फिक्शन, यू नो, रील मीट्स रियल. बट या, अंगद इज वेरी वेरी टेक्निकली साउंड.
यू गाइस आल्सो प्ले बॉक्स क्रिकेट जैसे आप खेलते हो.
वो
who are the players in that? उसमें क्या करते
हो? So BCL में मैंने तो सिर्फ 1 साल खेला था. I've just gone for couple of matches, but I don't really know who all play in that. I realized कि यार उसमें क्रिकेट कम और नौटंकी ज्यादा होती है. सो लाइक फॉर मी, जब मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ, देन बॉस, आई मीन बिजनेस है, लेट्स कम एंड प्ले द गेम, यू नो. तो I said no, that's not my scene यार.
आपने वो अभी 15 सीजन इसका किया ना, स्प्लिट्स विला का.
हाँ.
क्यों किया?
क्यों नहीं यार, आई मीन
आप देखते थे इसके पहले? कभी नहीं.
ऑफर आया.
हाँ.
मैं भी थोड़ा कंफ्यूज था कि यार ये लोग मेरे पास कैसे आ गए, राइट? बिकॉज होस्टिंग में आई डोंट हैव एनी बैकग्राउंड है उसमें. एंड आई एम लाइक ठीक है. देन उन्होंने कहा कि यार सनी भी इससे जुड़े हैं. मैं सनी को पहले से जानता हूँ, वी डन अ फिल्म टुगेदर बैक इन द डे. एंड देन आई जस्ट सैट एंड आई थॉट अबाउट इट. आई एम लाइक यार क्या है ना कि स्प्लिट्सविला, रोडीज जैसे जो शोज है इतने साल से चलते आ रहे हैं, एंड आई फील द टारगेट, जो डेमोग्राफिक, जो ऑडियंस है वो बहुत अलग है. एंड जब हम वेब सीरीज या फिल्मों में काम करते हैं, आई फील I'm catering more to slightly older people, at least the kind of work that I'm doing. So I'm like, you know, at the end of the day, आप चाहते हो कि आप pan India जाने जाओ. And I'm like, this might open avenues, and it was a challenge for me. So I'm like, चलो, what do I have to lose, you know? I'm like, let's give it a shot. And trust me, bro, I had so much fun hosting. बड़ा मजा आया. मेरे भी डाउट से शो करने से पहले कि यार, यू नो, पता नहीं रियलिटी शोज हमारे देश में आधे स्क्रिप्टेड या पहले से डिसाइड करते हैं ऑल दैट. बट ऑनेस्टली अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, जो कुछ भी हुआ, जितने भी इनके रिएक्शन से या व्हाटएवर ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स वर हैपनिंग, वो सब ऑन द स्पॉट लाइव हो रहा था. सो आई वाज आल्सो लाइक प्रीटी इंप्रेस्ड कि यार वाओ, दिस इज नो, देयर इज नो स्क्रिप्ट, यू नो. और शुरुआत में इट वाज अ लिटिल टैक्सिंग फॉर मी, क्योंकि इसमें हम लोग एक्टर है ना, तो वी आर लाइक चलो ठीक है, अगर डायलॉग में आपके कुछ 19-20 हो गए तो रीटेक करेंगे, दूसरे एंगल से लेंगे, डब करेंगे. बट ओवर हियर लाइक डूड, इट्स इन रियल टाइम यार. इट्स लाइक हम दोनों अभी बात कर रहे हैं. इफ आई फ्लप समथिंग, आई डोंट बी, अरे एक और करते ना, यू डोंट गेट द चांस टू डू दैट बिकॉज दैट मोमेंट हैज पास्ड. सो दैट वाज क्वाइट द चैलेंज फॉर मी. बट इन ईयर की जय हो. वो लाइक अ कॉन्शियस, उन लोग कुछ ना कुछ विस्पर करते रहते हैं आपके कानों में. राइट. सो दैट वाज, या.
मैं सुना कि आराम नगर में एक बस जाती है, वो बोलते हैं स्प्लिट्सविला, जो भी बैठता है उसको कंटेस्टेंट बना देते हैं.
आई डोंट नो ब्रो, मुझे ऑनेस्टली पता नहीं कि एग्जैक्टली प्रोसेस क्या है.
कौन लोग हैं ये बहुत सारे तो एक्टर्स, कई सारे मॉडल्स आते हैं.
क्या है कि आई थिंक उनके लिए भी एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बन जाता है जब स्प्लिट्सविला या रोडीज जैसे शो के थ्रू उन लोग आ जाते हैं, नो. बिकॉज लाइक आई मीन हमारे सीजन के बारे में आप देखोगे तो ये लोग एट कशिश, दिग्विजय अभी बिग बॉस पर भी है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, और 2-3 और अभी रोडीज पर आए. सो आई फील दे गेट अ गुड लॉन्चिंग पैड. या. एंड
शुरुआत में रणविजय वाज होस्टिंग, उसके बाद निखिल चिनप्पा वाज होस्टिंग. आई सॉ, शुरुआत का मैंने देखा है. मैं पहले सीजन का पहला एपिसोड 4 मिनट देखा था, बहुत सही था. उसके बाद से आई थोड़ा लॉस्ट कनेक्ट.
You don't seem to be a fan, na? Bro, but you are not the target demographic. I mean, honestly, like जब MTV वाले मेरे पास आए थे तो उनका पहला सवाल ये था कि so you've seen the show, right? And मैंने कहा sorry, I have not seen it. मैं अभी झूठ क्यों बोलूं? Because अभी उन लोग पूछेंगे कि अच्छा what did you like? I will not know what to say because मैंने शो कभी देखा नहीं है. I have not seen it. But
मजा आया.
But just because you've not seen something doesn't mean you can't host it, yeah.
I agree.
And honestly, I kind of viewed it like any other job, यार. मुझे होस्ट करने में और सबको रोस्ट करने में बड़ा मजा आया. एंड बिकॉज सनी वाज आल्सो ऑन बोर्ड, सो एक फेमिलियरिटी थी एंड ऑल, एंड शी इज बीन होस्टिंग फॉर लास्ट 10 इयर्स.
या. आपने एक और चीज होस्ट करी अभी, वो IWM अवार्ड्स.
ओह या, साहिल खट्टर के साथ.
हैड फन. वो फनी कैरेक्टर है.
ग्रेट फन. या. सो खट्टर और मैं एक दूसरे को पहले से जानते हैं. वी डन अ शो कॉल्ड बजाओ टुगेदर विद रफ्तार.
अच्छा.
कपल ऑफ इयर्स बैक. इनफैक्ट IWM से मुझे एक अवार्ड मिला था तंदूर के लिए, बेस्ट एक्टर इन अ नेगेटिव रोल. सो इट वाज कूल दैट लाइफ केम अ फुल सर्कल और मुझे अभी होस्ट करने का मौका मिला.
दैट इज आल्सो. तो उसमें कितना स्क्रिप्टेड था?
उसमें तो ऑफ कोर्स
वो देते हैं लाइंस, बट
अपार्ट फ्रॉम द विनर्स जो हम नहीं जानते एंड ऑल, ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव द टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर्स एंड ऑल, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम लोग स्क्रिप्ट पर बैठते हैं एंड यू नो जो भी जोक्स मारने हैं दिस दैट बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन इट्स बीइंग टेलीकास्ट एंड ऑल दैट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट there's certain protocol,
Yes.
right? You can't just say whatever you want to, right? I mean, क्या बोलते हैं standard and practices.
Yes.
Yeah. So you
Yes.
have to go through that. So certain jokes, जो हमारे थोड़े edgy jokes थे, you know, उन्हें प्यार से हटा दिए गए.
Correct.
Yeah.
But वो भी
because जब आप एक award show host कर रहे हो, it's like you have to be like very politically correct.
Right.
You want everyone to enjoy themselves, but you don't want to piss people off beyond a point.
Correct.
है ना, तो simple सी बात है. So that I just did for fun, honestly. Yeah. That was like a one time thing, I guess.
But that also opens. I feel like you are a good host.
Yeah.
तो आप वहाँ पे भी you can do a lot.
And I feel तब Splitsvilla already air हो चुका था. It was in fact in the process of being aired and all, and I was getting a lot of good feedback for that. You know, तो I feel वो एक confidence आ जाता है, you know, because see जब लोग आपके काम को सराहते हैं as an actor, it's a different thing. But suddenly people are like, oh Tanuj, you're hosting well and all. It gives you a little bit of confidence that okay, maybe I can do this also, you know. Yeah.
आपने नेगेटिव रोल्स कितने किए?
नेगेटिव रोल्स अभय सीजन 3 और तंदूर अब तक 2 and some characters with shades of grey. Maybe
yeah, even Vayu had some shades.
Yeah, but Vayu is still a positive character all said and done. Nah,
yeah.
I feel on a show like Inside Edge, अगर आप match fixing नहीं करते हो, then you are a positive character. यार, नहीं तो सब बिका हुई है ना उस show पर.
बार बहुत
लो है उसमें. He's just he comes across like a bad guy, but he's actually a good guy.
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah, I agree.
The sly ones are the ones who look all like squeaky clean, and then they're the real gundas.
Right.
Yeah, that way. मैंने एक और show में भी काम किया था Cartel करके, which is actually one of my favorite shows and all. So there also I play a gangster. So that was also like lots of shades of grey, but I wouldn't say villain, more like anti-hero.
आप कार्टेल जैसे आपने बोला, तो do you watch these kind of shows जैसे गमोरा वगैरह, इस तरह के कार्टेल वाले shows, नार्कोस वगैरह?
I love those shows. It is one of my favorite genres. Yeah. But for me, my dream is like my dream was always to do something like Al Pacino's character in Godfather.
Wow.
तो कार्टेल के थ्रू एटलीस्ट मुझे I wouldn't say on that level, but definitely similar syntax का एक किरदार निभाने का मौका मिला, you know, like yeah.
What is your favorite show to watch?
Breaking Bad.
Breaking Bad is incredible. Wow, man.
Yeah.
So good. वैसा भी बनना चाहिए इंडिया में.
Oh man, yes, सच में, seriously.
इस तरह मतलब वो राइटिंग इतनी तगड़ी उन्होंने करी है.
It is absolutely amazing from start to finish. In fact, मैंने उस शो को काफी लेट डिस्कवर किया क्योंकि मैं एक दिन बैठा था एंड सर एंथनी हॉपकिंस ने एक ओपन लेटर लिखा था to the creators and showrunners of Breaking Bad saying he loved the show. I'm like, my God, he is writing an open letter. What is this show? I need to watch it. So luckily for me, जब तक मैंने शो स्टार्ट किया था, I didn't have to wait for any seasons because 5 के 5 seasons already release हो चुके थे. So I got to binge on it from start to end. So like one long film. So I think over 1.5 months I saw the entire show.
And did you also see Better Call Saul?
Better Call Saul, yeah, which I think
equally
is
good, man.
Yeah, you know, so a lot of people, so कभी-कभार वो थोड़ा flack मिल जाता है कि oh, it's a little slow paced, but I'm like, bro, it's deliberately slow paced.
Yeah.
You know, it's a companion piece as well as it can exist on its own. It's like even if you've not seen Breaking Bad, you can still get a lot of enjoyment, and that's the hallmark of a great show, that it is not standing and leaning on another show.
Yeah.
But of course, if you've seen Breaking Bad and then you watch it, then nothing like
great. But as you're saying,
but that, you know, they made that one movie with Jesse.
Yeah.
Right after Breaking Bad.
Right.
I didn't care much for that.
Same.
What was it called?
हाँ, check करो ना एक बार. El Camino.
Yeah.
I didn't like that either.
It didn't really appeal to me.
Yeah, but अगर ये जैसे बोल रहे हैं ना कि maybe
because when I saw the first thing, I'm like cash grab. Yeah. That's what I felt. Yeah.
Sure, they do it for. अरे उसके भी तो किया. Friends आया.
हाँ,
उसके बाद they made the thing with.
Yeah. Friends was friends. We grew up on Friends. Yeah.
But we were talking about Breaking Bad और Better Call Saul. तो Better Call Saul जब खत्म हुआ तो they are saying कि अब एक और spin off होगा for the girl's character. What is her name?
Oh, the one opposite Saul.
Yeah. तो नहीं हाँ, the one opposite Saul, that woman. क्या नाम है उसका?
नहीं, I feel now it should be left.
वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ स्पिन ऑफ करेंगे.
कर तो सकते हैं. I mean,
क्योंकि वो गायब हो जाते हैं.
Vince Gilligan is like a really talented guy, no doubt. But I personally feel अभी हो गया. Yeah.
हम लोग को एंडिंग मिल गई, अब वापस
we got it. Yeah, you know, like why to keep on poking it? Now come up with something else. Come up with something new.
So what is your take on remakes? जैसे तुम if you like an old movie.
Okay.
और जब हो जाता है remake.
I have more of a problem with remakes of remixes when it comes to songs than I do with the movies. Like for example, I felt कि जब शाहरुख खान की पहली डॉन आई थी, I thought that was a fantastic remake because it took everything we knew about the original Dawn and it turned it on his head, right? Without getting into spoilers, though I'm sure everybody's seen
Yeah,
it.
if you haven't seen Dawn yet.
But I thought that was brilliant.
Yeah.
Like nobody saw that coming.
Right.
Updates such as Agnipath were also really nice. But by and large, I just feel that there's so many new and interesting stories that can be told. So why to keep going to the same? And I'm also not a big fan of these South Indian remakes. Abhi bahut ho gaya, yaar. You know, like, I mean, I have a lot of respect for the kind of cinema and the shows and everything that South India makes and all that, yaar. But guys, in our industry, come on, yeah, what's happening?
Yeah.
Why does everything have to be like a remake or a prequel or a sequel or a universe?
Yeah,
everything.
Right. I think writers को उतनी इज्जत नहीं जब दोगे ना तो यही होगा.
Yeah.
जब नई stories लिख के आती हैं कोई respect नहीं देता then this happen. Pushpa, did you see Pushpa?
I love Pushpa.
Man.
अभी 17 तारीख को ट्रेलर आ रही है ना?
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan.
I'm also, तो मैं जब भी बात करता हूँ I get such mixed reaction. People like क्या फालतू है.
Like my wife, she hates Pushpa.
Yeah.
She's like, oh, it's so regressive. I'm like, whoa. What's so regressive? I'm like that the scene where the wooden logs are going through down the river, that itself is brilliant.
Yeah.
Like the fact. Okay, what I loved about Allu Arjun's performance in the film, even when he's dancing, he did not let his body language go.
Yeah.
Right? That's awesome.
Yeah. And I'm sure he's a good dancer.
Yeah.
But for this, he did
like
whatever.
You didn't feel it was Allu Arjun dancing.
Yeah.
Like sometimes without taking names,
dance.
but like some of our Bollywood heroes, the moment they start dancing and all, it's not the character that's dancing, it is the actor who is an amazing dancer that is dancing. And I'm like, whoa.
But do you so okay, great point. But जैसे Indian movies को तो जैसे ना Hindi movies are the musicals.
हाँ.
So, musicals में is it supposed to be the character dancing और ये तो अलग ही गाना
घुसाया गया?
गया?
No, but it takes you out of the experience. The character can also dance. Otherwise, if you want to go down that route, then do what was happening through the 70s, 80s, 90s, early 2000s. Paint your movie and your script and your characters in such broad strokes where जब आपको पता ही नहीं चलता कि एक्टर कहाँ खत्म होता है और कैरेक्टर कहाँ पे शुरू है ना?
Right.
Shahrukh Khan was Shahrukh Khan in every song in the 90s and 2000s.
Yes.
But we loved him nonetheless because Tom Cruise in everything he does.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
You look at Mission Impossible or anything else, it's very rare that he's really kind of, he has disappeared into the character and all. Right? Then play it broad, na? No, there's no problem that. But if you want to go for a character study and a deep dive and all, then when the song comes and don't become
somebody else or your own character.
It rudely jolts you out of that experience, according to me. Or then keep the song at the end of the movie.
हाँ.
है ना, like so many
don't
movies.
Make a part of
like अभी what did I see recently? Bhool Bhulaiya. So the Bhool Bhulaiya title track at the end of the film, then he can have as much swag as he wants. He can do whatever he wants to.
Right.
Right.
एक और चीज है that jolts you out. This is, I mean, I'm just nitpicking.
Point.
नहीं.
I love interval point.
नहीं वो तो अच्छा है I guess, but जब कोई गाना हो रहा होता है and you've seen the whole movie और उस बंदे की आवाज is whatever.
Oh, because of lip syncing.
हाँ नहीं जैसे भी वो बातें कर रहा है and जब वो गाना गाता है तो पीछे सोनू निगम गा रहे हैं. I'm like ये मैच ही नहीं हो रहा भाई.
I'll tell you what. No. बहुत अच्छा observation है आपका, but I'm somewhere in the middle about this. I feel कि of course you don't want one Besura hero singing. Maybe they don't have a singing voice because it is an acquired skill. ऐसे नहीं कि यार कोई भी कर सकता है. But I feel कि अगर पिक्चर में 4 या 5 गाने हो, so the same singer, like I think one of the first films to do that was Rockstar.
Sab Mohit Chauhan.
So he sang all the songs. So there was a uniformity and a continuity to Ranbir's performance and his singing every time he went into, and there were so many, at least 10-15 songs in that film.
Yes.
Yeah, but what happens is, like even in an amazing film like a Dil Se, you've got a Sukhwinder Singh, you've got a Abhijit, Udit Narayan, Sonu Nigam. So what happens is the songs work beautifully in isolation if you're viewing it as a music video. But जब आप film में देखते हो तो at least मुझे खटकता है. So I feel there should be uniformity in that way.
Correct. तुमने movie देखी?
Because क्या है कि their voices are very distinct. Like a Sonu Nigam cannot sound like an Abhijit, cannot sound like an Udit Narayan, cannot sound like a Sukhwinder Singh.
Imagine आप फिल्म देख रहे हो शुरुआत में इस बंदे ने गाना गाया सोनू निगम था और आखिरी में कैलाश खेर की आवाज में इसकी आवाज क्या हो गया अचानक
exactly
but that also breaks the character.
It breaks the character.
What is your favorite comedy film?
अंदाज अपना अपना.
I mean कल भी हमने किया था. Nice.
अंदाज अपना अपना, चाची 420, the first हेरा फेरी.
हेरा फेरी भी कभी रीमेक हो रहा है. What do you have to say about that?
Let's see. See, I didn't care much for the second part.
Right.
So now let's see.
You didn't like it?
The second one?
Yeah.
The one with that gorilla?
फिर हेरा फेरी.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I get
nothing like Kabira speaking.
पर उसमें कुछ जोक्स अच्छे हैं बड़े.
कुछ जोक्स थे ना, but like ठीक है यार. But you know, like I really think that Akshay Kumar is one of the most amazing comic actors we have. Like his timing, right from Awara Pagal Deewana to Mujhse Shaadi Karoge to Garam Masala. I think Garam Masala is incredible. I can just, whenever it's on TV, I will watch it.
Yeah.
So many films, and I just want him to revisit that now.
Right.
You know, just going to peak. You know, those days when you have Akshay Kumar and Rajpal Yadav. You know, the original Bhool Bhulaiya. Yeah, it's hilarious.
Yeah.
So we need that.
कार्तिक की भी बहुत तारीफ हो रही है इस मूवी में.
Very very good.
Yeah,
no doubt.
अक्षय कुमार का कैरेक्टर was a little, मतलब वो.
यार, if I was a producer, I would definitely make a Bhool Bhulaiya 4 where you pit Akshay Kumar versus Kartik Aaryan.
Yeah, one is Roo Baba, one is that character.
Yeah. And they got to like eventually join forces to kind of fight the common.
If you're listening, make that movie happen.
I think that would be an epic blockbuster.
Yeah, I'm sure they're thinking about it. क्योंकि ये वाला इतना चला है यार, कितनी बढ़िया.
Absolutely.
Yeah. फिर हेरा फेरी की हम बात कर रहे थे, उसमें उन्होंने गाने में भी कॉमेडी करी. एक गाना है जिसमें बिपाशा बसु डांस कर रही होती है, है ना, एंड ही गोज ऑन स्टेज. इफ यू सी दिस कॉमेडी इन द सॉन्ग आल्सो. तो मुझे इसलिए उन मोमेंट्स की वजह से वो मूवी बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
We actually have very few comedies nowadays.
Yeah.
You know, like even those, you know, वो कौन सी पिक्चर थी यार, भेजा फ्राई.
अच्छी.
Like yeah, you know, like it was a little offbeat, but like so much fun, you know.
Yeah.
In fact, Rajat sir and me were working recently on something. I was telling him, I'm like, sir, that was like peak comedy.
Very
you know, हम लोग those were the initial days जब हम multiplexes जाते थे.
Right.
And I'm like, you know, he's like, yeah, but those films are dead. You can't make them in a theater anymore.
I agree. अब बनेगी तो नहीं चलेगी.
बजट नहीं मिलेंगे.
आपको अभी की रिसेंट मूवीज में फनी. डिड यू सी दैट मूवी लॉक नहीं, जैकपॉट नहीं.
I found Madgaon Express pretty funny.
हाँ, but अरे, and he's written and directed and done everything.
He's a really talented guy. So I actually had the good fortune. मैंने उनके साथ काम किया था on Abhay season 3 because obviously he plays Abhay, right? Yeah. So we just had a couple of scenes, but yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. And I'm like, my God, the first thing I told him, I'm like, can't believe I'm acting with a kid in Zakham, you know. Yeah. I'm like, man, look at you today, you know, like body shoddy, tattoos, become like this hunk-a-dunk, you know.
Yeah.
But he's a very, very nice guy to work with.
He's done great in Golmaal also.
Yeah.
Very funny.
Yeah. See, now those Golmaal films are not, I wouldn't say all. The first and third, in my opinion.
Third is my favorite.
Yeah, but the first one's damn funny.
One is
yeah. Second, okay. But I think they're planning on making another one, na?
They'll keep making. I think मैं मर जाऊंगा, ये चलती रहेंगी. गोलमाल कभी खत्म.
गोलमाल 20.
यार मतलब कुछ तो ऐसी सीरीज है. धूम का मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभी हो गया, लेकिन बट ऑल्सो
धूम का I just feel too much time has passed and I feel like it's been 8-10 years maybe since Dhoom 3.
But वो कह तो रहे थे कि बनाएंगे चौथा.
कह तो रहे तो ठीक है, but कहने में और करने में फर्क है ना. तो now let's see what happens.
हम लोग ना, see what we do is also, हम इंडियन मूवीज को थोड़ा पिच कर नीचे दबाते हैं कि ये कॉपी किया है कहीं से. But if you see Fast and Furious भी वही कर रहा है. It's no different.
Exactly.
It's the same. तो फिर भाई ठीक ही है फिर.
वो हॉलीवुड का शीन रहता है ना, अरे हॉलीवुड वहाँ उनकी इंडस्ट्री. हम किसी से कम नहीं. We have it. But we need to be more secure about what our capabilities are.
Right.
And instead of leaning on, you know, Korean cinema and Hollywood cinema and South cinema, because when you make OG content from here, these are the films you get. Mohabbatein, Andaz Apna Apna, Sholay, right?
What all do you watch other than Hollywood? जैसे you mentioned
I watch a lot of international cinema. I watch a lot of South cinema. I love shows. Yeah, but shows like when you watch movies nowadays, it's like a fling. When you're watching a show, it's like a relationship, right? It needs a long-term commitment. And nowadays, since I'm married and also like whatever I watch, I need to make sure that, hey, listen, baby, are you on the same page? So we can binge on something together, you know.
What do you watch together?
So many shows. Yeah, abhi recently हम वो देख रहे थे. So I'm a huge superhero geek, right?
Yeah, they told me.
Yeah. So
I've seen your
yeah. No,
figurine.
I'm like bro, like next level geek है. तो अभी recently वो Penguin देख रहे थे.
हाँ.
और मेरी बीवी को यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि वो Colin Farrell. I'm like यार, it's him. Then I had to go on YouTube और मैंने उन्हें दिखाया कि देखो transformation, fat suit, prosthetics.
पर ये साथ में देखने के लिए तो बड़ा डार्क सा शो पिक किया.
हम सब देखते हैं. We love watching Black Mirror, House of Cards. बहुत सारे हैं.
Beef देखा क्या?
नहीं, I've heard about it, but I've not seen it. Yeah. I've heard about it.
Crazy.
Yeah.
And goes dark.
goes really dark.
Yeah, मतलब उसके
now she's very excited because actually we both are because Squid Game season 2 release होने वाली है ना अगले साल. Stranger Things final season.
Right.
Yeah. So these
Stranger
are the
Things में did you watch all of them?
No, I've only I lost interest in the season which happens at the shopping mall.
मैं तो
maybe 3.
हाँ, I think third.
Upside Down is under the mall or something. ना so I've not seen season 4. There's actually a show called Dark. It's a German show.
Yeah.
So I found that to be similar but much more superior.
उसमें भी time travel वगैरह ही है.
Yeah, but like a superior version of Stranger Things.
अभी एक नई मूवी आई है Substance. Have you seen that?
Dude, it is so twisted. My God, it is twisted. Like it starts off as something, and I'm like, oh, you know, it's nice. They're making a movie about the insecurities that women face in Hollywood, and then I'm like, wait, she gave birth to like a really hot chick, and wait, now what happened to her fingers? Wait, what? And then the end of the film, which I don't want to get into, but what? It was horrific.
Yeah, crazy. Yeah. तो वही sometimes you start a movie saying ये fun होगी साथ में देखते हैं and then midway your wife is like.
So Tanya and me look at each other at the end of the film and we're both like, yeah, I think these guys were on drugs when they wrote this script because
crazy.
How do you come up with that?
Yeah.
But really happy for Demi Moore because like she was like OG back in the 80s and 90s and she looked really, really good in the movie and great performance. I think she could get an Oscar nomination for this. Yeah.
But movie Oscar level पता नहीं.
Movie no, performance.
Her performance.
Yeah. The performance was better than the movie.
For sure.
है ना?
For sure.
Yeah.
कई बार ऐसा लगता है ये concept अच्छा है. ये कहाँ जाएगा? Movie maybe does not match it.
And that's the thing ना यार, you know, बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते कि यार, you know, wouldn't it be amazing if Inside Edge was a movie or Mirzapur was a movie or Patal Lok was a movie or Sacred Games was a movie? I'm like, no. Makers are smart. They understand that just because you have a good concept, a good one-liner does not automatically translate in it being a good movie and vice versa.
Right.
You need to know horses for courses. Simple सी बात है. जो कंटेंट लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट के लिए बनी जाती है, इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. द हुक्स आर डिफरेंट, द कैरेक्टर्स आर डिफरेंट. सी इन इनसाइड एज आल्सो देयर इज नो, they're important characters, but I don't think there's any one protagonist per se in a film, at least in our landscape. You know, आजकल तो multi-stars बहुत कम बनते, but you need that one anchor.
Right.
And I just feel it's very very important. So so
अगर आप वैसे भी देखोगे ना, कोई राइटिंग के लिहाज से कोई लेके जा रहा है, तो कई बार क्या होता है कि दे टेक अ फिल्म and then the makers would realize कि भाई ये फिल्म नहीं है, ये सीरीज है, तो इसको चॉप करो, सीरीज बनाओ. तो they know it.
I've had the good fortune कि कभी-कभार मैं जब हमारे shows के स्क्रिप्ट लिखे जाते हैं, so I've been part of the writers room even though I was clearly told to shut up and not give my inputs because we are greedy ना, as actors we only want कि हाँ अपना ये अच्छा role बने and all that.
Correct.
But I was just curious, so they let me into the room and it was a fascinating experience because क्या है कि अगर 10 episode है एक season में and there are like 5 writers, so different writers are given charge of ownership of different episodes, and there are multiple directors as well, so there are a lot of different things, and on paper you're like, how is this going to happen? Like there's too many cooks spoil the broth, but seamlessly they make it work. Because they understand the world. और एक बार आप वो दुनिया समझ जाते हो ना, then it becomes easier to be like, this character will not act like that because ये हमारी दुनिया में possible ही नहीं है. There's a certain, and the same thing, it is our responsibility as actors that we all need to be on the same pitch.
Right. So recently you worked with multiple directors. Who did you have the most fun with?
Yeah, I've had a lot of fun with so many of my directors recently. So I'm on the second season of Rana Naidu. It's a show that I really enjoyed watching the first season, and I got the good fortune of working with Karan Anshuman, जो हमारे showrunner है Inside Edge के लिए.
Right.
तो इतने सालों बाद after Inside Edge to work with him on another show, new character, new setup, but same kind of vibe that we share was a great experience for me. जो हमारे Code M के डायरेक्टर है, जो शो आई हैव डन, जेनिफर विंगेट एंड मी हैव डन टुगेदर, सो ही डिड द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड सीजन. अक्षय चौबे, ही इज ग्रेट टू वर्क विद. मेरे जो कार्टेल के डायरेक्टर है सुयश, सो अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट डायरेक्टर्स, यू नो, इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू pinpoint. I worked with this really really cool director recently. His name is Saurabh Verma. He had made Mickey Virus with Manish Paul back in the day. Now we've done a film with Vijay Raz. Fantastic, yeah. Man, Vijay Raz is awesome. Oh man, he's a vibe. I consider myself so fortunate to get to work with people such as Vijay Raz, KK Menon, you know, Gajraj Rao,
Vijay Raz,
Rajat Kapoor, so many of these guys.
Yeah, Rajat is also incredible. Does a lot of theatre. I think a lot of these people do. And
you have to be so prepared when you are working with like these stalwarts because वो theatre background से आते हैं. They are proper trained, so they understand the craft inside out.
Right.
मैं जैसे गली क्रिकेटर हूँ ना, तो similarly acting के तौर पे मैं गली एक्टर ही हूँ. यानी मैं कहीं से भी ज़्यादा सीख कर नहीं आया. Whatever I've learned being an assistant director, I've learned on the job. फिल्म देख कर मैंने छोटा थोड़ा बहुत समझ लिया,
Right.
but these guys are like, yeah.
Even Manoj Bajpayee in his interview,
Yeah,
he mentioned,
man.
he said कि गजराज राव के साथ तुम भी काम करो अगर कभी भी, तो वो उसके साथ सीन कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा इनसिक्योर कर देता है, वो ऐसे करेगा एक्टिंग, इट विल बिकम डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू, तो वो these are dangerous actors.
Gajraj is also really he's like a chameleon. He's amazing at putting on different accents without making them sound caricaturous. Like we've done a short film together, and while जब हम उसके लिए reading कर रहे थे, so we read the script thrice, and he did all three in different accents. And because the tonality, I think one was a Christian, one was a South Indian, and one was from North India. So because certain tweaks were different, so the performance was entirely different. Right. So I was not even acting after the first reading. I was just reacting to whatever he was throwing at me.
I think that is the way
it is because you don't know what to expect, right? So every take is fresh. Every time you're doing a scene is fresh. There's no point if as an actor मैं preempt करके मुझे already पता है कि exactly क्या होने वाला है, then it looks stale because आप चाहे जितनी भी अच्छी acting करो and अपनी lines ठीक से याद करो, but you cannot fake certain things in front of the camera. आप पकड़े ही जाओगे. So yeah.
क्रेजी, मतलब इतना ये लाइक विजय राज इज सो सीजन्ड एज इवन द वॉइस एक्टर कि हमने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी थी फॉर हिम और हमने ऐसे दिया कि लंबा सा स्क्रिप्ट है, उन्होंने एक टेक में दिया और उसके बाद देन ही इज लाइक हमको तो अच्छा लगा, हमने कहा सर ग्रेट, कहते नहीं एक और टेक देते हैं, डिड समथिंग इवन बेटर, आई एम लाइक एंड वो 10-15
मिनट में got an amazing voice also,
incredible voice,
yeah, it's like a Morgan Freeman,
yeah. And Run में जो उनका कॉमेडी सीन्स का हुआ है, तो एवरीबॉडी इज अ फैन ऑफ हिम फॉर दैट, नॉट रियलाइजिंग उनकी सीरियस एक्टिंग कितनी इनक्रेडिबल.
Absolutely. I saw Chandu Champion recently.
Yeah.
And what a performance.
Very good. ये मतलब कुछ जो कोचेस का या
so I have a very cool and funny experience उनके साथ भी ना, because वो हमने साथ में काम किया था. That film's not released as yet. It's called Johnny Jumper. उसमें मैं एक केबल वाला हूँ जो भोपाल के लोकल लॉ एनफोर्समेंट के लिए एक मोल भी है. So he's a cable operator nice. जो डिश टीवी चेंज करता रहता है, but he's also a mole for the cops. So Vijay Raj is the main villain, the main antagonist of that thing. And my very first shot, I've never met the man in my life before, and I'm like, oh my god, आज Vijay Raj के साथ scene है. And my very first shot when I meet him is I have to slap him.
You have to slap him.
So I'm telling him, so हमने सर तो मैं क्या सोचा, अगर आप यहाँ पे खड़े हो ना तो मैं ऐसे करूँगा, फिर आप उस हिसाब से अपना टाइम देके. So I'm like going like one, verbal diarrhea. I'm very nervous and all. So he just puts his hand on my shoulder. He's like,
slap me.
मार दे. तो हम like, हाँ सर बोला ना मार दे. हमने सर आपको कैसे मार सकते हो? He's like, ना तुम मुझे नहीं मार रहे हो, तुम इस कैरेक्टर को मार रहे हो. तो हमने oh fuck. But that's the great thing, yeah. These amazing actors, they show you time and again why they are a cut above everyone else, yeah. Because the commitment, man. It's so easy for them to get complacent, after so many years of enduring work and success. But वो उनमें अभी भी वो भूख है.
Right.
And that's amazing. And automatically आपको भी अपना level of acting game, they say ना, a rising tide raises all ships. So you have no option. जब standard इतना high है, you have to come prepared.
Right.
But being prepared is a very tricky thing, because अगर आप under prepared हो तो आपकी लग जाएगी. अगर आप over prepared हो, then it will look very fake. So you have to find that sweet spot. Proper preparation के साथ आओ.
Yeah, मतलब when you've done it
same
for such a long...
Sir. Right. We had done a show recently called Murshid, right? And यार he's so zen, man. जो fire है उनमें, he's so zen when the camera is not rolling. It's amazing. It is an acting masterclass जब आप उन्हें perform करते हो देखते हो.
You guys get to play with them. You guys get to act with them.
And automatically I realized that after a point I did not even have to remember my dialogues.
हाँ, just
मुझे बस ये ध्यान में रखना था कि scene में क्या हो रहा है. What are we trying to communicate by the scene? Scene से पहले क्या हुआ, scene के बाद क्या होगा. So उस हिसाब से मुझे पता कि अभी मैं यहाँ हूँ. How do I reach her? Where do I need to go to? Just surrender. Look into his eyes. Feel the performance in the body, in his tonality. Boom. आप 2 टेक देकर आगे बढ़ोगे, घर जाओगे.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. I saw a video recently.
I hate those actors, You're in the middle of an intense scene, and just before the shot, they're like, "Ek second, mirror." I'm like, "Arey, fuck your mirror."
Breaks the flow.
Then again, I'm in the zone. I'm looking to her eyes. They'll be, "Sorry, script. Last line kya tha?" I'm like, "Yaar, homework, not classwork."
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes I also once in a while will forget lines, but you should not make a habit out of it, na? Because it takes not just you out of the scene; it's taking everybody along with you out of the scene.
Right. इसीलिए हम लोग कैमरा कट नहीं करते कभी.
या बेस्ट.
और हम लोगों ने कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं करी.
नहीं.
So, एकदम
मैं आया, हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया, आपने बॉल फेंक दिया और हम स्टार्ट हो गए.
मैं वो वीडियो देखा आपका, आप स्नीकर के अपने कलेक्शन के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. यू एंड मिहिर जोशी.
Oh yeah, Mihir, yeah, he's an old friend, yeah.
Yeah. So, Mihir, by the way, does commentary for WWE. I do commentary for UFC. वो सोनी.
Oh really?
बड़ा मजेदार.
Did you see today's amazing?
Of course.
It was a bit of a anti-climax because I was hoping for a knockout.
You thought कि knockout कौन? You thought Tyson would get knocked out.
I thought Tyson would get knocked out.
Same, we were talking about it.
But hats off for a 58-year-old to be able to survive 8 rounds. But I thought he was too much on the defensive. But I guess.
Yeah,
you lose speed also ना, agility ना. Oh wait.
Man, reaction.
वो बंदा कितना 28 साल का है.
आधे से कम उम्र. It's crazy, man. Why did this fight even happen?
Money.
Does Tyson need money?
Of course.
Crazy, man.
No, of course he needs money. Yeah, he's been broke so many times. Yeah. उसके इतने सारे कांड हुए लाइफ में that we don't realize, but these guys in America and all ना, they keep filing for bankruptcy, keep going broke because उनकी lifestyle भी ऐसी है ना.
बहुत crazy है.
Indians by and large we are a lot more circumspect, we are a lot more, हम लोग we eat according to हाँ जितना है
इन लोगों की lifestyle special.
हम conservative है यहाँ पे. वहाँ पर it's like oh man, let's buy Malibu mansion. ऐसा है ना.
Especially like मतलब I don't know, I'm
rappers, boxers,
yes, black athletes. Dude, इतना खर्चा करते
हैं. तो मेरे my dad's older sister, so she's into luxury brands and watches. उनका business है, तो वो Atlanta से है, तो हम बात कर रहे थे, and she was telling me that so many of these rappers, they will walk into my store, they'll show me a picture that, hey, I want this watch, lady. So she'll get it. They will pay cash. $500,000. Boom.
Money back.
$500,000. What is that? 4 crore rupees in stacks of $100 bills.
Yeah.
And move on.
Crazy way to live. And then you go, भाई तुम शेयर खरीद रहे हो, तुम 100 गाड़ियाँ खरीद रहे हो, तो यही होगा. I feel bad, man. Mike Tyson, such a legend, and he's fighting at 60.
Yeah. So sometimes I think what happens is that they end up being their own best friends and their own worst enemies.
Yeah.
Because क्या है कि I feel at least Hindustan में we have our friends, our family around us, people like if they feel कि like hey थोड़ा हवा कम कर ले भाई, spending ज़्यादा हो रहा है, you're getting too egoistic, cut yourself, वहाँ कोई होता नहीं है because they live West में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा I feel they live very isolated lives.
Yes. But you create a circle like that, man. अगर if you have,
I mean at the end of the day your vibe defines your tribe ना, simple सी बात है. But we always feel these guys are so rich and famous and popular, they must be so happy, but they're not.
अरे ये तो मतलब दिमाग से निकाल ही देना चाहिए यार.
They are so messed up in the head, most of them. Best to be somewhere in the middle only है.
किसी ने Naval, do you know Naval Ravikant?
No.
हाँ, तो वो मतलब ऐसे इन्वेस्टर है, इंडियन बंदा, अमेरिकन का है, इंडियन origin. तो he was in a podcast saying it's.
Was in a podcast with the beer biceps?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the one. Oh. Yes, then I saw it. Is he based in Singapore?
कनाडा में उन्होंने ये शूट किया था.
Oh, okay.
हाँ, no.
You've seen the guy?
I saw, yeah.
So he's known for like his
very
incredible quotes. So he was saying कहता है कि I'd rather be rich and anonymous than be famous and poor.
Yeah.
तो
Absolutely.
everybody knows you and you.
नहीं, simple सी बात है यार. लोग अक्सर मुझसे पूछते हैं कि यार Tanuj, you're doing so well and all, but wouldn't you also like to be a superstar? And I'm like, honestly, with all due respect, a lot of perks, no doubt. But no yaar, because I feel I've hit the sweet spot जहाँ पे लोग मुझे जानते हैं, अच्छा खासा काम भी मिल रहा है, I'm quite happy with the way everything's going. But I don't have to run from people, and no one's going to 100 people are not going to mob me on the road. But I can get out of my car. People are very nice. They'll come. They'll ask you for a. आजकल तो कोई autograph मांगता नहीं है. They'll ask you for a selfie. They'll chat with you 2 minutes. They'll leave. At least in Bombay, I don't know how other parts of India, but I'm talking about at least हमारे शहर में, हमारे ecosystem में.
Right.
And I'm like, this level of fame is good, because at least me, my family, my mom, my dad, my wife, God willing, my kid also, we can all have some semblance of normalcy. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा famous बन जाते हो, you can't do anything. अभी अनुष्का और विराट कोहली की बात देखो. From what I understand, they are planning on shifting out of the country because
London,
dude, he's reached the next level of what it is to be famous, but he can never lead a normal life in India.
Right.
And doesn't that suck somewhere?
बट शाहरुख तो मैनेज कर लेते हैं.
कैसे?
आई मैं ये सही कि मुझे कुछ भी चाहिए होता है मैं तो मंगवा क्या किसी ने somebody mentioned said कि आपको अगर जुहू में चौपाटी में जाके आपको अगर पाव भाजी खानी है तो आप तो कर ही नहीं पाओगे. कहता है मैं बुलवा लूंगा मेरे घर पे आ जाएंगी मिट्टी डाल देंगे बैठ के मैं खा लूंगा. तो बट मतलब
रियल लाइफ सिमुलेशन ना.
या बट मतलब would you want more like the most fame but like if you become the best in your art वो fame तो आ ही जाएगा. क्या करोगे आप?
Not necessary, yeah. I don't feel always I feel the biggest superstars don't necessarily need to be the biggest actors, but they do need to have the biggest have the most charisma, have the most that one X factor. They don't have to necessarily be the best actor. I'm not just talking about here, I'm talking about overall.
I agree.
I feel there are many of our character actors who are actually superior actors. Correct. I don't want to make it controversial and get into names, but मुझे honestly personally actor के तौर पर ऐसा लगता है. But these guys just have they're movie stars है.
Right.
उधर भी देखो Will Smith is a movie star. The Rock is a movie star.
Yeah.
So
what clicks?
Tom Cruise is a movie star.
I agree, but Tom Cruise is a good actor also.
He's kind of locked himself in a bit of a thing where he's not experimenting. He's happy running around and jumping off trains and planes and submarines and all that right now.
Now it's become his thing.
But last film.
Right.
Yeah. वो अभी तो मैंने ट्रेलर देखी वो तो कह रहा था one last time believe in me type faith in me ऐसा कुछ बोल रहा था.
ये one take अगर आप करोगे तो फिर last film हो भी सकती है. जैसे वो jump वम करता रहता है.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah.
But what do you think, like, what is that one thing that makes you suddenly a superstar and something like great actors, as you mentioned, a lot of actors, so good, so talented.
Relatability. I feel लोग जैसे कि शाहरुख खान, जैसे कि कार्तिक आर्यन, लोग उनसे relate कर सकते हैं because they also have that everyday man charm about them. That Shahrukh Khan could be someone's son-in-law, girlfriend, boyfriend. Like he has filled he has ticked every box in our Indian society.
Right.
He's not just the larger than life kind of thing. Mr. Bachchan, Rajesh Khanna had that larger than life aura, that personality. I feel like SRK is very relatable, and Kartik Aaryan, I believe from the younger lot, has that quality in him.
Then why don't like actors get plastic surgery to become more relatable? वो तो और ही खतरनाक good looking superhero बनना.
The more plastic surgery you get, the more you're going to alienate yourself, yeah. Because क्या है कि you may look younger, but you start becoming expressionless.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure from the heroes and heroines you know exactly who has got stuff done and how much, and who has not gotten stuff done. And I just feel that one aura of yours starts going because you've got that frozen look then.
मैं तो हर मूवी में बैठ के गेस करता रहता हूँ कि इसने शायद करवाया. इसके एक्सप्रेशन बिल्कुल ही नहीं आ रहे.
Yeah. Exactly.
No, but what is your pinnacle of what would be the best that could happen to you?
I look at myself not just as an actor. I also look at myself as a 360-degree creative person, which is why अगर आप मेरे career को analyze करोगे तो I've done films, I've done web, I've hosted, I've played cricket leagues, I've done a bunch of things. Right. I've directed a lot of short films before I became an actor and stuff.
Right.
So I used to write also back in the day. I find writing to be very, very therapeutic. So I would just, as long as I get to do stuff in the creative mold, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. And आजकल social media, Instagram की वजह से you can create your own content. So it's very funny, but I don't have a social media manager. I have no editor. I have no photographer. I have nothing at all because I come from a time where we had to learn all this on our own. जब हम college में थे, because हमारे पास पैसे नहीं थे, budgets नहीं थे to make stuff. So if we wanted to make something, student short films also, we had to learn everything.
Right.
So I'm able to at least decently put together everything on my own. So people are like, "Arey yaar, who's editing your stuff?" I'm like, "Me." Who's shooting it? I'm like, my wife or my spot boy or my hair makeup girl. That's it. I don't like entourages. अभी कल रात ही तानिया और मैं एक award show पर गए थे और काफी सारे वहाँ पे content creators थे and it was cool and all, but I'm like, यार, everybody comes with an entourage. सब आते like, मेरे साथ कौन आया? मेरी बीवी. That's it.
That's crazy.
We attended the function, we enjoyed everyone, we socialized for a bit, took our pictures, did our bites. I took her out for a nice dinner and came back home to our kid. That's it. यार, I don't understand this whole thing. I find it to be शूशागिरी.
No, I agree.
आजकल मैनेजर के भी मैनेजर होते हैं, बॉडीगार्ड के भी बॉडीगार्ड होते हैं. देखो, अगर आप सलमान खान हो उस लेवल पर, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि शेरा का भी बॉडीगार्ड होगा, या बट ब्रो, व्हाट अबाउट एवरीबॉडी एल्स?
राइट. Have you seen Fauda? मुझे Bodyguard से याद आया.
I had actually tested for the Indian version of Fauda, Tanav, right?
Yeah.
Then after I auditioned and all, they're like, sir, very good audition, but you don't look Kashmiri enough. So I'm like, but this too I didn't look even before the audition, na yaar. So why did you waste my time then?
आपने बात करी. Not Kashmiri enough. आपका accent बहुत North Indian है, I think. नहीं, he must have seen कि बात करने के बाद देखेंगे. But you look Kashmiri to me.
Really?
Yeah, you can pass.
It was actually one of the first auditions I gave when COVID the lockdown had just started and all. And I'm like, so actually more than me, my dad's a big fan of Fauda, so he was very excited.
Yeah.
और कोई था नहीं घर पर, तो उन्होंने मेरे साथ lines किए to give that audition and all. So he was very upset when I didn't get it. He's like, but how did you not get it? You are perfect for that role. I'm like, I don't know. They say I don't look Kashmiri enough.
Right.
अरे but you do. I'm like, but they said no ना, तो अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ यार.
तो अभी when they came to some Goa festival, the makers of Fauda. तो उनसे question पूछा इन लोगों ने, कहते हैं कि अभी इंडिया में रीमेक बन रहा है, what do you have to say about that? कहता है कि भाई इजराइल और पैलेस्टीन का जो इशू है ना, वो वैसा है कि तुम सुबह घर से निकलो, शाम को तुम पैलेस्टीन में बैठे हो, तो यू कैन डू दैट. इंडिया में ये जो आपका पीओके वो है नहीं, तो इट डजंट फिट. व्हाई आर यू मेकिंग दिस? कह रहे नहीं हमने तो राइट खरीद ली, हम तो बना रहे हैं, तो दे मेड इट. तो इट डिडंट,
बट आई बिलीव इट डिड क्वाइट वेल. तो
मैं देखा नहीं, बट
आई फील आप
कैसे देखोगे?
आई फील आप ऐसे शोज को इंडियनाइज कर भी सकते हो, बट इट डिपेंड्स कि मैंने तनाव देखनी है, सो आई डोंट नो हाउ मच दे हैव रीटेन्ड ऑफ द ओरिजिनल. हां, तो ठीक है ना.
लेकिन मैंने ओपनिंग सीन देखा था, सेम था.
देखेगा तो बिकेगा ना, सिंपल सी बात है ना. अभी चल गया, सीजन 2 भी बना लिए, तो ओके, गुड फॉर देम.
राइट
है ना.
व्हाट आर योर अदर लाइक फेवरेट शोज? क्या टाइम कितना हुआ भाई? और वी आर गुड ना? हां, बिकॉज़ वी, आई मीन आई एम हैविंग फन.
माय अदर फेवरेट शोज, आई लव मिर्जापुर.
Okay.
Season 3 not so much, but especially the first season. I loved the first season of Sacred Games. I loved Patal Lok. I loved Rocket Boys.
All great shows.
Which other one? Yeah, हमारे locally curated Panchayat I've not seen yet actually.
Panchayat's also very good.
Panchayat's supposed to be really really good. Yeah.
In the last season, man, they just changed it because like a very important character dies and then fucking it. वो बहुत ही emotional है.
Yeah.
Even if you're not emotional. I
liked somehow, I don't know, but I like the first season of Breathe.
Breathe is good. Yeah. Breathe's very fun.
The one with Maddie.
Yeah.
Like I thought that was actually pretty interesting. Yeah.
Maddie did a movie where he's like a very dangerous villain, जिसमें he's hypnotizing women and.
Oh my God, Shaitan.
Oh fuck.
Oh my God.
Blew my mind.
Bro, and.
What? Huh?
Yeah.
Incredible, dude. It blew my mind.
And that same girl Janki was in the Gujarati remake as well, and she was also amazing. But she actually, see him too, of course, but she made the film. She's as important to the success of Shaitan as he is, because still she doesn't act that certain way.
Right.
His performance doesn't work because he's the master puppeteer, and she's the puppet, right? And like I thought it was a really really well done movie, and I can completely understand कि वो इतनी बड़ी hit कैसे बन गई, क्यों बन गई. And मैं बहुत फॉर्चुनेट हूँ कि मुझे मैडी के साथ काफ़ी टाइम स्पेंड करने का मौका मिला. अभी स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम बात कर रहे थे, सो आई वाज एक्चुअली इन दुबई फॉर वन शो, और वो हुई नहीं, पर मैडी भी उस शो के हिस्सा थे, तो हम सब साथ में वही थे. दिस इज ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक,
राइट.
सो वी यूज्ड टू सिट विद हिम एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हमारे प्रोड्यूसर के घर में, और जस्ट डिस्कस करते थे. सो दैट टाइम ही वाज इन द मिडल ऑफ शूटिंग रॉकेटरी.
अच्छा, रॉकेट
बैक देन. And man has gone to some extreme lengths. Like he actually made his teeth teda and all for that role and all. Like that's not prosthetics, that's not fake, that's real.
Crazy.
So man. I'm like, my God, I bow down in front of you. The level of commitment after you have nothing to prove to anyone, फिर भी आप ये सब कर रहे हो. You know.
Yeah.
And even in Shaitan, and he's just a tremendous actor.
So good.
You know, whether it's रहना है तेरे दिल में, whether it's a Guru, whether it's which is the film he did with Kamal Hassan, Anbe Shivam, if I'm not mistaken. He's very good in that also. So many films. Maddie is a.
He is also one of those people where you like women love him, and I would always wonder कि मतलब why like Hrithik Roshan, और ये तो मुझे समझ में आता है, very good. हाँ,
cut off a different cloth. Yeah, so fantastic.
Just came out of nowhere. I didn't expect it. It was very good. Who else can you mimic?
क्या मैं रोज इस तकिए पे बैठता हूँ. मैं गोवा गया था, वहाँ मेरी मुलाकात क्रिस्टीन से हुई है. मुझे लगा शायद कि मक्खियाँ पालेंगे यार.
very good man.
But
That's also an
this
incredible
is
movie.
my backup profession in case the acting thing doesn't work out. मैं इनके dubbing के लिए चला जाऊँगा.
हाँ, तो what is the charm?
I just you don't have to be conventionally good looking, so to speak. Not to say that Maddie is not good looking, but
Of course he
you know,
is,
but
yeah.
like Hrithik Roshan is like perfection, right? But I feel sometimes women and people in general gravitate towards your imperfections. Like if you ask me, I don't think Shah Rukh Khan is conventionally the most handsome man ever.
Correct. These guys have
And I
mentioned
mean this in the best way possible, but the aura that he has, that twinkle in his eyes, those little mannerisms of his, it just elevates him far above and beyond anyone else. Whether यहाँ पर हो या बाहर का हो, that's why he's a global superstar. Similarly with Maddie, I just feel
Good lighting हो रही है.
yeah. अभी 3-4 कैंडल भी लगवा दो यार.
अब मैडी की रोमांटिक उसकी
Yeah,
बात
yeah.
कर रहे थे, like let's change it a little bit.
And I just feel Maddie has that same quality that you know जब वो एक कमरे में आ जाते हैं ना, suddenly all eyes are on him.
Yeah.
You cannot demand that. You have to command that, and you have to do it effortlessly.
Yeah, very magnetic.
And
yeah.
I feel हाँ exactly वो बहुत magnetic है. और जब आप एक अच्छे इंसान हो and you wish well towards everyone else ना, वो vibe it just
Create हो
permeates
जाता है.
everywhere. When you enter a room with negativity or with insecurities ना, you can be the best looking dude on this planet, yeah, but
Yeah.
it's not gonna work. So yeah. For the record, I do love Hrithik Roshan. I think he's I just have this bad habit. I think I forget where I end and other people start. You know.
Ajay Jadeja also is one character.
Haan.
Where when I was watching, I was growing up,
Yeah.
and all my female friends, my sister, her friends, I was like, oh my
Bro,
god, Ajay Jadeja. So,
I don't know how old you were then, but I remember the Wills World Cup 1996
Yeah.
quarterfinals
Yeah.
at the Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bangalore, and India was in a spot of trouble, and he's hitting those one-handed shots for six.
Yeah.
In those days, you know, one-handed shots were like.
also, the boundaries were bigger those days.
Yeah,
it's not like
but
today's
I mean, he was
67.
literally hitting one-handed shots, and he
Yeah.
got us to a very competitive total.
Yeah.
And I think that cemented him as just like one
No,
of the
but
players.
that won't make him like ladies' favorite.
No,
what
but
happened?
again, he had that
Charm.
Charm bhi hai, gift of the gab bhi hai. You know, for example, I feel some of the Pakistani cricketers, they may be very nice to look at and all, but
Yeah.
they can't really speak too well, right? So I think you need to have a balance of how you look, how you conduct yourself, your charm, and the way you speak.
एक इससे मुझे याद आया.
Package deal hai, bhai.
है package. और he's done a movie also.
Yeah. Oh, he did. Khel, right?
Yeah.
Khel. Huh. Wasn't Sonu Nigam in that? No, Sonu Nigam was in Jani Dushman.
हाँ. Sunny Deol था.
And Salil Ankola was in which one?
Salil Ankola has also done movie.
है ना?
नहीं नो सलील अंकोला तो फिर भी काफी मूवीज करी हैं बट
श्रीसंत
अजय
भी आए
जडेजा
थे ना?
श्रीसंत has done a movie
कुछ तो किया है.
In South
dance
Indian-
show
हाँ, हाँ.
Big Boss
Yeah, yeah.
all that
Yeah.
yeah but अजय जडेजा क्योंकि आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी हाइप्ड अप कि यार very women love
Yeah.
he did one movie he danced very awkwardly
Khel is the same picture, na? Every time Sunny Deol would hit someone, it would go to X-ray board, na?
Yeah.
And then they would show the bone. It was cool. I love it.
yeah
Ajay Jadeja is the richest cricketer, by the way.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
No,
He's the heir of the
Yeah.
Jamnagar royal family.
yeah he's a royal family
Really?
1450
I did not know that, yeah.
इसलिए तो इशू हुआ था did you जब फिक्सिंग वाला वो हो रहा था
इधर मुझे पैसों की जरूरत ही नहीं है, मैं क्यों करूंगा ये सब?
Correct. तो लोग कह रहे हैं कि इसके घर में बहुत पैसे मिले कह रहे हैं, भाई मैं रॉयल फैमिली है मेरे पहले के पैसे
Yeah,
हैं, मैंने-
खानदानी पैसा है.
yeah
Wow.
What?
I didn't know that, but
Yeah.
that's fascinating.
yeah
But I used to always like you.
I also liked
I
him.
used to like you, but I used to bat with Robin Singh.
Yeah, Robin Singh and him run so
Yeah.
hard. तो वो मतलब एक
And he
रन
made his
होता था
debut very late, na?
Yeah.
Robin Singh. Yeah. But top cricketer. Good
top
athlete
cricketer,
also.
very good athlete,
Yeah.
great fielders. All
I wonder
three of
what he
them.
looks like today, yeah. He's been off the radar, na?
So he was the coach of Mumbai Indians.
Robin Singh.
Yes, field coach.
You're right.
Yes.
Fielding coach.
Oh.
Before John T, na? ऐसा कुछ तो. हाँ.
And Ajay Jadeja was the coach for Afghanistan team.
Yes.
Dude, they did so well. People were going.
Bro, I'm
so,
telling you,
he has
every time
fans in
Afghanistan plays well, I feel so happy.
Yeah.
You know, with everything happening in their country and उनके जो इतने सारे limited resources हैं. In
Right.
fact, उनका home ground भी दिल्ली में ही है ना?
Yes.
I just top team.
Very good team.
Top team.
Very talented. And अगर वो
अभी
मतलब
छापेंगे
उनके
ना IPL का auction आ रहा है ना 24-25 नवंबर को.
पास-
Their players will sell like hotcakes.
राशिद तो always does, but और भी
Nabi.
हैं players. हाँ.
Yeah.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग उनके कैरेक्टर। अरे हाँ, तो मैं क्रिकेट का ये हुआ था, तो मैं कह रहा था कि व्हेन यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेटर्स टॉकिंग, शोएब अख्तर हैड द चैनल, fastest growing channel to 1 million.
Yeah.
And for the longest time he used to say, please.
I think at the start would come, now the Rawalpindi Express has left the station.
हाँ, तो वो पूरा आता था montage, and then you know what he would say? He would say, आप लोग, तो when people say bell icon दबाओ ना, he would say icon button दबा दो. And for the longest time he kept saying icon button दबा दो, and nobody corrected him. He had millions of fans, and I would message him कि sir bell icon होता है, icon button नहीं. हाँ, देखा नहीं उन्होंने मैसेज में, but I kept messaging.
But you know, I have to say, like,
hilarious though. He's
got a very good YouTube channel, and I like the fact that he keeps things very balanced
and very short also.
And very short.
Yeah.
You know, कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, I find very stupid when you know, चाहे हम हारते या you know पाकिस्तान हारती है, and some of the senior players ना, they get very like you know start screaming and yelling and all. He's very pragmatic.
But do you think कि वो टीवी वाले बोलते हैं करने के लिए? Why would like Wasim Akram, और Wasim Akram तो खैर नहीं करते, उनका शो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया था.
Didn't he have a meltdown when Pakistan lost to India now?
But
dude, he was damn pissed off.
Sure, but
and I feel bad because I really like Wasim Akram, and I used to love जब भी हम लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाते थे ना, the Shaz and Vash show.
Yeah.
And I'm like, नहीं यार, Wasim bhai, this is beneath you, यार, don't you know. I understand कि आपको बुरा लग रहा है, but
he was mad at the Pakistan team.
And he should be.
Yeah, sure.
What did they do? That was their match.
Yeah.
अगर हम लोग तो बहुत खुश थे, but चलो ठीक है.
तो उनका तो फिर भी बैलेंस, उनका जो शो था वो बहुत अच्छा था. बट अ लॉट ऑफ टीवी शोज जो पैनल पे एक्सपर्ट्स आते हैं, यू सी दे स्टार्टेड गेटिंग एंग्री. हर बार मैंने देखा है, हर बार ऐसे होता है, अरे इंडिया में ये हुआ है, इन लोगों ने चीटिंग करी, टॉस,
इट सेल्स ना,
ये बोल के ही करवाते हैं.
लेट्स फेस इट, आज हम दोनों इस पॉडकास्ट पर हैं, व्हाट आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट? आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द नाइस सेंसिबल कमेंट्री? नहीं, हम इसके बारे में बात करें ना.
यार हमको बेवकूफ क्यों बना रहे हैं लोग, इतना मैनिपुलेट
करते हैं. बट एटलीस्ट दे आर अवेयर दैट दे आर मेकिंग बेवकूफ आउट ऑफ अस ना. बहुत लोग अवेयर भी नहीं होते, और फिर ये चर्चा चलती रहती है, गोल घूमते रहते हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं ये पूछने वाला था बीच में, फिर हम दूसरी जगह चले गए कि लास्ट ईयर नहीं, when was your daughter born?
Now on the 24th of September.
अच्छा, very recent.
Yeah. 7 weeks ago.
How has life changed since then?
Less sleep. No timetable. Honestly, it's just, चाहे मैं शूट पर बाहर हूँ या इवेंट पर बाहर हूँ या अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर हूँ, क्रिकेट बाहर खेल रहा हूँ, I just want to always come back home and just be around our little girl. And I feel definitely जब आप शादी भी कर लेते हो, एक सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है, बिकॉज आई एम दी ओनली किड, सो आई वॉज ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर माई मॉम एंड माई डैड. फिर तानिया मेरी ज़िंदगी में आई, अब हमारी बच्ची आ गई, सो आई फील दैट सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, सो आई कैन स्लोली सी माई प्रिंसिपल्स एंड मैं लाइफ से जो चाहता हूँ, यू नो, माई प्रायोरिटीज चेंज. और ये बड़े एक खूबसूरत और ऑर्गेनिक तरीके से हुआ है, ऐसे नहीं कि यू नो करना ही है, बिकॉज व्हेन समवन सेज यू हैव टू डू समथिंग देन यू डोंट वांट टू डू इट.
राइट.
बट जहाँ पर सबकॉन्शियसली आपको करना है बिकॉज यू वांट टू, देन इट जस्ट इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. सो दैट्स इट्स अमेजिंग.
क्रेजी.
तो
अब were you always a rebel like as a kid?
Not at all,
नहीं.
I was मैं बहुत शांत बच्चा.
अकेला
बच्चा. Do I look rebellious?
नहीं मतलब
नहीं यार, मैं actually बहुत shy और under confident kid था. I was really overweight. मैं बहुत हकलाता था. Confidence issues थे. Had very bad skin, which is kids can be very mean about that. Then धीरे धीरे जब मैं कॉलेज में आया, I started slowly working on myself and all that. Yeah, but it's been a steep learning curve.
Right.
Yeah.
The kids, like boys especially, can be so
late
cruel,
bloomer.
man. Yeah.
Late bloomer.
मतलब जब when you were saying stuff like that,
but I have to say one thing,
तो very good looking body.
जो हमारे स्कूल में जो cool kids हुआ करते थे, really like handsome boys and pretty girls and all ना, अभी आप उनसे मिलोगे ना, they look very mid. I'm like, really?
यही होता है.
Really?
यही होता है.
So I feel it's better to blossom a little late in life. Yeah.
But हाँ, लेकिन जैसे did you go to boarding school?
No.
हाँ.
नहीं. I went to like day school.
Yeah. But do you think...
I went to the 2 most filmy schools in Mumbai. आर्या विद्या मंदिर जुहू.
Okay.
I think Sonakshi Sinha from there, Arjun Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor, वो सब वहाँ के हैं. And then 6 to 10 फिर मैं बॉम्बे स्कॉटिश में था. आमिर खान, ऋतिक रोशन, रणबीर कपूर, इमरान खान, तुषार कपूर, उदय चोपड़ा, I think briefly करीना कपूर, अभिषेक बच्चन, आमिर खान, जॉन अब्राहम, धर्मेश दर्शन, लेस्ली लुइस, like बहुत सारे.
आप भी हो?
मैं. Yeah. So I went to like
क्रेजी। तो आपके बैचमेट्स कोई हैं जो
नहीं एक्चुअली मेरे बैच में से तो कोई नहीं है, नहीं। रणबीर वाज 4 years my senior, हाँ
4 years your senior?
Okay. I'm 86 born, he is 82 born, I think so, हाँ।
Right.
Yeah.
नाइस। तो मतलब आपको शुरुआत से ही मतलब एक्टिंग की डायरेक्शन में तो आप जा रहे थे, आपको पता नहीं चला बस?
Yeah, I guess subconsciously यार।
Yeah. तो कभी आपने when did you think about becoming an actor and when did you have that conversation with
यार मुझे हमेशा से पता था कि मुझे क्रिएटिव लाइन में घुसना है या यही पे कुछ करना है, बट बिकॉज जैसे कि मैंने आपसे कहा मेरे काफ़ी सारे कॉन्फिडेंस इशूज थे, तो हम यार कैमरे मे बी सबकॉन्शियसली मुझे एक्टिंग करनी थी, बट आई डिड नॉट हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस टू voice it to my parents or voice it to anybody except myself. So I said कि यार एक काम करते, let me start off behind the camera थोड़ा as an assistant director, AD, clapper boy actually to be specific. उस तरह से मुझे एक सीख भी मिल जाएगी, I'll understand also कि what is required, because मेरे ख्याल से जो आप theoretically सीखते हो एक क्लासरूम में और जो practically हुआ करता है जैसे हम अभी है, it's very important to know the ground reality and the logistics what goes behind any sort of shoot.
Correct.
You know. So I became a clapper boy for a couple of years and उसी जर्नी के दौरान I was like cameras here, मैं बीच में और फिर actor यहाँ पे, you know, so I was in close proximity with actors such as Janelia, Shahid Kapoor, Aftab Shivdasani, Amna Sharif. These were the ones that I assisted on my first couple of movies, and I'm like, yaar, I love acting.
Right.
I want to give it one shot.
Yeah.
And then that's when I started taking it seriously.
And then
so it was not like नहीं क्योंकि mom actor रह चुके हैं इसलिए मुझे करना है। Yeah.
पर फिर कॉन्वर्सेशन तो मॉम से किया ही होगा ना?
No,
नहीं,
she didn't know for the longest time यार, फिर बाद में उन्हें पता चला यार
कि लेट क्यों आ रहा है यार इसका शो।
She got to know because I think one of her friends told her, you know, I saw your son, he was standing outside this Aram Nagar Part 2 next to Jumbo King, and so my mom's like, what are you doing there? You don't even like vada pav and all, what are you doing there?
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh no, I went to give an audition. So she's like, audition for what? So I'm like, no, for some ad. So she's like, why, you want to become a model? So I said, no, actor. So that's how she got to know actually. Yeah.
Crazy. And what is the next? What is coming up for you?
So I got the second season of Rana Naidu.
Okay.
We've got a lot of cool additions. I can't reveal it right now.
But if you want to like pitch, like talk about one, ये कब आएगा हमें पता नहीं है।
ये I think maybe second half of first quarter, second quarter of next year, 2025 में आ जाएगा. Now next I've got a show with Applause. It's called DAU, Domestic Anti-Terrorism Unit Mumbai. ये crime based है.
बहुत ज़्यादा crime देखते भी हो and everything
भाई because ये चलता है यार. अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ ना, जिस तरह के roles मुझे offer किए जाएंगे अच्छे लोगों के साथ, मैं वही करूँगा ना. Now you know I feel that Boy Next Door phase of mine अभी चला गया यार. So people want to see me in this avatar. They want to see me in that little edgy, darker space. Is that so? I've got that. It's with Rahul Dev. Then I've got this one called Johnny Jumper, जहाँ पे वो केबल वाला, who with Vijay Raj, Brinjal Kalra, Zakir Hussain, Zarina Wahab and myself.
Wow.
I've got this really cute rom-com. Actually, this is a little boyish role. It's called Puppy Love. Okay. It's a film which has got myself, Trida Chaudhary, Nikki Tamboli, and Divya Agarwal. So we've got that and 1-2 more things which I don't think I can say right now. But yeah.
And what is, tell me one show like similar or what kind of show would you want to do? That's जैसे crime तो आपने बहुत recently कर रहे हो.
I was really impressed with this show I saw because मैंने वो किताब भी पढ़ी है, Bombay Meri Jaan, which is based on Dongri to Dubai.
Okay.
है ना? So I always gravitate towards I think these crime gangster sagas. Yeah. Even in Hindi cinema, I love movies such as Satya, Company, Sarkar,
right.
You know, Shootout at Lokhandwala. I just like all that,
right.
You know.
Right.
So I would definitely like to do a show or a movie like that.
Yeah, incredible. Yeah. We hope you.
Tapori type का.
I hope.
And I want to be part of a historical यार, because अब तक मुझे वो मौका नहीं मिला है. But you know, it could be maybe from the British Empire time. It could be from the Mughal era or whenever. But historical.
Did you like what was that?
Jodh Akbar?
हाँ.
Loved it.
Oh man, इतनी लंबी.
It's fantastic. No. But I loved it, and hats off to both Hrithik as well as Aishwarya for first being opposite each other in a movie such as Dhoom 2, and then doing a Jodh Akbar.
Yeah, and being able to do such a long movie, मैं तो भाई थक जाता.
It's fantastic. Yeah. Stop it. Yeah.
कोई मिल गया.
कोई मिल गया.
Can you do that, Hrithik, like the younger?
I used to ना the Rohit one ना.
Yeah.
वो ऐसा कुछ करता था, ऐसे कुछ हाथ मिलाता था ना. नहीं वो कॉलेज के दिनों में करते थे.
भूल गए.
छोड़ दिया भाई जूते पड़ेंगे
ऋतिक की आवाज में एक बार बोल दीजिए सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल.
Hi, I am not Hrithik Roshan, but I would implore all of you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. What's the name? Channel का नाम क्या है?
अभी नहीं पता.
T-Ring. Oh no, Tring. Sorry. Oh, score. Name's Hrithik, not retake. So just इसको छाप देना.
Thank you so much, man. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun.
I had a blast, bro.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, yaar.
Oh, what a banger, man.
Banger, na? Name's Hrithik, not retake. So just